Welcome back to another video tutorial. Today I'm working on a workthrough towards fixing that frustrating Hypervisor blue screen error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This error props up with Hyper-V, a built-in feature in professional and higher editions that powers virtual machines. Pretty cool stuff when it works. We will talk about it step by step. So stick with me, let's get started. First, a quick but crucial heads up before we dive into the fix. This Hypervisor either often ties back to your BIOS or UEFI settings. Specifically, virtualization technology. That's the magic behind the Hyper-V was named like Intel VTX or AMD V. Depending on your CPU, you'll need to check if that's enable, and that means digging into your BIOS. Every PC is different, Dell, HP, Asus, Lenovo, so search online for your exact match. Make a model like HP Pavilion BIOS Virtualization to find the steps. Boot into your BIOS usually by hitting a key like F2 or delete at the startup. Find virtualization technology or something similar and make sure it's turned on. If you upgraded it to Windows 11 on a hardware, that could be snagged too. But let's assume you've got a supported gear. We won't demo every BIOS here, way too many variations, but it's worth checking before we process. Pause me if you need to investigate that. Now onto the hand-on fix. Open the search menu, click that little magnifying glass on your taskbar and type CMD. When command prompt shows up as the base merge, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. You might see a user account control pop up. Click Yes to let it roll. Alright, here's where the match happens. In the video description below, I've got a command ready for you. It's bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type auto. Copy that text. It's something short to refresh HyperVet setups. It will take a second. Then you should see the operation command successfully. That's the green light we want. Once that's done, close the command prompt window. No rush, just click the X. Now recharge your PC to seal the deal. Hit the Start menu, click your Start and let it shut down and boot back up. Give it a minute or two to settle it. Then test things out. Hopefully no more blue screens. This fix resets Hyper-V configs, which usually clears up that crash if your virtualization is good to go. That's it, folks. We've covered the BIOS check and run a quick command to knock out that Hypervisor error. If this saved your system from crashing, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you next time. Stay crash-free.